Hey guys, my name is Carrie Winchell, and welcome back to another Transformation Tuesday. We kick off our Healthy, Wealthy You small group workshop this month. The first workshop is going to be I think it's April 16th, and we're going to be starting off with the Healthy You. In the spirit of health, today's core belief is going to be from the Health Affirmations Journal workbook, and the core belief that we're touching on today, the affirmation, the ideal thought, is going to be my body is a great ally. My body is a great ally. And this is going to bring up beliefs about what do you believe about your body? What do you think about your body? How do you feel about your body? I think a lot of times we are taking our bodies for granted, right? So let's look into the reflection prompt, the journaling prompt. Your body is a vehicle that allows you to carry yourself here and there. The vehicle that allows you to carry out your activities of daily living, like showering, brushing your teeth, and feeding yourself. It is an indispensable friend that has your back. Respect and care for the vehicle you have been gifted with. Thank you, body. And I think that sometimes we do take our bodies for granted, right? We take our own body for granted, and we don't stop and give appreciation, show gratitude for our body really allowing us to be able to execute all of what we need to do on a day-to-day basis. One of the things that I try to do when I wake up in the morning, because like my body, I also do it with my breathing. I take these things for granted, right? I take my breathing for granted, and I'll take my body for granted. So one of the things that I do in the mornings when I wake up is I spend about 3 minutes just really honoring my breath and honoring my body. Thank you, breath. Thank you, body. Because your breathing is what's letting you know that you're alive, right? You being able to breathe is what's letting you know that you're here, you're existing, you woke up. And your body being able to move around, right? Like that's a part of your necessities. That's a part of how you are able to move around and be purposeful and accomplish your goals and just be able to take care of yourself, right? Through the vehicle of your body. And being in your body is what connects you to being alive as well. And so really spend some time just showing your body love, giving gratitude. I think sometimes when we think about our health concerns, we're disconnected from our body and we're not in touch with what's happening with our body, and we can't get to utilize the body as the great ally that it is. And it's really one of your best friends, right? Your body is here with you, and it's helping you, right? It's supporting you. It's letting you be able to do all of, as I said, all of the things that you need for your day-to-day life that's purposeful. The simple act of even taking time to brush your teeth, being more mindful, being more present with that, showering, right? Being more mindful, being more present with cleansing your body, how you beautify yourself, being more mindful, being more present, right? With really beautifying your body. Exercise. You want to make sure that you're also, exercise is great when we have our aesthetic goals, or we have our weight loss goals, or whatever type of health goals that you have as it pertains to exercise, right? But exercise is also good just to nurture your body, just to care for the body, and just you wanting to keep your body strong. But outside of or aesthetic goals or weight loss goals, just exercising because you want to take care of your body and be able to have your limbs being able to move and have some type of strength, right, in your body so that you can fulfill what you need to fulfill as you move through the vehicle of your body. So take some time and really start to become more mindful, more present with your body, showing your body more love, more appreciation. Yes, because of all of what it's doing for you, but also really because your body is a great ally, right? It is your closest friend. All right.
So, healthy, wealthy you. The spring small groups, the first one will begin on Thursday, April 16th. That's the Healthy You group. And the next one will be Wealthy You on Thursday, May 14th. This is a great opportunity to have a safe space, a private space with a small group of like minded individuals because signing up for this class would mean that you're here because you want to work on your core beliefs and shifting and really working on some of these unconscious scripts and internal dialogue that's showing up in unserving ways. So, register on the website www.carriewinchellLPC.com for these spring healthy, wealthy you small groups. And I look forward to seeing you guys there.
So the core belief again, the ideal thought, the affirmation, my body is a great ally.